Hey guys, get a chance to win some free money when you follow these instructions. And make sure you be the first commenter in all my videos to type Grind Family. And once I get to 6,000 subscribers, you could be the lucky winner. So please click on the link below. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money cash codes in 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to talk about the free money giveaway. Now, you saw the instructions on how to become eligible for the free money giveaway at the beginning of this video. So all you have to do is just click on the link that's in the description or in the comments below. Once you click on there, you'll become eligible. And once I receive 6,000 subscribers, hopefully by January the 15th, I'm gonna randomly pick 2 lucky subscribers and they're going to win the free money. So go ahead and follow those instructions and get a chance to win this free money. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end. I don't want you to miss any of these steps that you need to take to get these PayPal cash codes. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is Cash for SMS. So it says here you have unused SMS included in your mobile plan. We are ready to buy these unused messages from you. Install our app and get monthly cash back up to $45 by simply doing nothing. So guys, simply what they're saying is you have some unused messages on your mobile plan and they're willing to buy those unused messages from you on a monthly basis. So what they call this is like cash back. So you're getting money back for just using your phone, guys. That's all. And they're going to pay you up to $45 a month. You probably get more than that. So let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So Cash for SMS is a cashback app that rewards its users for selling unused SMS messages. This opens the door to worldwide mobile carrier subscribers to make mobile communication more affordable and rewarding. All you need to do is join our growing network of mobile users who are empowered to communicate without any limitations and let their mobile plans earn money for them. Wow, that's something else, guys. That's something else. So you can save up to 70% on your mobile bill. You got to get this, guys. You got to get involved with this if you want to save some money on your mobile phone. And here's the 3 things you need to do. You need to check your phone number, activate your profile, and set your number of SMS to sale. Now, how much can you earn? So you can earn, guys, I know it's kind of low, but you can earn 3 cents per message. Now, here's an example of what they're saying here. So let's say you have 200 free SMS messages, but only use about 100 each month. And this was so they got different options that you can take. So option A, you decide to earn as much cash back as possible by selling all 100 unused SMS messages, because Cash for SMS buys unused messages at $3.03 per message. You can earn $3 a month by doing nothing at all. So this is actually passive income. So you'll be earning this money without doing anything at all, guys. But I know that $3 is not nothing. I mean, you're not going to get rich doing this, but you're going to be making some money without really doing anything. And you're going to make way more than $3, because I know you're going to have way more than 100 or 200 messages. So the next thing, you can do option B, which is you decide to play it safe and save some SMS messages for emergency purpose by selling only 50 of your 200 free SMS messages included in your mobile plan, earning $1.50 in total. I know, again, that's not much, but what they're saying, you can use option B. You can, save most of them for emergency, when you need some fast cash. So, or you can go ahead with option C, which is you realize the potential of cash for SMS and change your mobile plan to get more free SMS messages, free minutes, and mobile data. Because Cash for SMS is one of the best apps that pay you. You can use it to earn as much as $45 a month by selling 1,500 SMS from one number. Now that's just from one number, guys. Now what if you have two numbers? You can probably make at least $90 to $100 a month of passive income. Now here are some of the features. So it's easy to use. It can be customized, so you can customize how you want it, how you want to sell. You can sell it per day or per month, your messages, like I said before, it's going to be passive income. And then they also give you detailed statistics, and they have more benefits. Once you download the app, you'll find that out. And here's what some of the customers are saying. So this person right here named Dark ETXY said, this app is amazing. It's been running for me over 3 months, and I have made over $150 of passive income, guys. That's something else. Now, there's some frequently asked questions down here. If you want to learn more, once you come to this site, just scroll down here and you can check these frequently asked questions out. Now, one more thing I want to show you before I stop talking about this website. I want to show you the app. So let me go to the app right now. Okay, here's the app right here. Here's some screenshots, kind of show you how it looks inside. So once you come here, you can check that out before you download the app. And I just want to show the rating. So the rating is kind of low, 3.4. Because I always say if it's 4.0, it's a very, very good app. But it's 3.4, I still think it's an okay app. It's an okay app. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website and this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making some PayPal money, passive PayPal money, go ahead and go to cashforsms.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop the comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys go ahead and sign up to that site so you can start getting these PayPal cash codes. And please type this number down when it flashes on the screen. That lets me know that you watched this video all the way to the very end. and you're going to get a chance to win some free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So make sure you share this video. If you're new, subscribe, and let's go to 6,000 subscribers. Road to 6,000 subscribers. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. I really appreciate it. Before I go, I just want to say this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.